Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Showers have been surprisingly scarce today, most of them only affecting islands and coastal extremities. But sooner or later they'll have to start pushing inland as the wind turns more and more easterly. Minimum temperatures are starting to climb and it won't get cold again until early next week. The temp range today in Bundaberg was 14 to 22 degrees, with Hervey Bay reaching 21. On the satellite loop now, you can see it's still very bare across Queensland. The coastal fringe showers that have been occurring are hard to see because they're right on the coastline. It's mostly low cloud that you very rarely see on these enhancements. But over the next 2-3 days, they have to start coming ashore because the winds are turning more and more onshore and they'll push them across the land rather than parallel. On today's chart now, we've got our main big high pressure system, about 1033, now moving across into the Tasman Sea. Winds are still south of southeast, which is why they're going parallel to the coast and bringing the showers accordingly and not crossing land. This little blip here is actually a trough that's moving into northern New South Wales, and it's already starting to rain quite heavy on the Gold Coast and near Brisbane now. On tomorrow's chart, the showers will be a lot more widespread with a high now further out to sea and the winds more onshore. And on the outlook chart, another showery day statewide, but now we've got an inland frontal system moving across, which on the weekend could even bring some storms to the south. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters, southeasterly winds up to 20 knots tomorrow, still between 10 and 20 knots on Friday, but then on Saturday dropping right back to 10 knots. Fraser Island offshore, 15 to 20 knot east-southeasterlies, this time on a 2 metre swell. Friday's winds straight easterly, less than 20 knots, and Saturday east-northeasterly 10 to 15. Our high tide's coming in pretty late tomorrow, around midday at most ports, give or take a few minutes. Not the biggest tide you'll ever see, but it's decent, so take precautions. The Wide Bay Burnett District, a cloudy day with showers after some inland fog. Bundaberg 13 up to 22 degrees, 21 the top for Gympie, Hervey Bay 22, Maryborough 21. And looking ahead for Bundaberg, no more cold nights until Monday, Tuesday, when the next southwesterly change brings our minimum temps down again. Showers possible every day until that change comes through. Look at this spectacular photo, one of the finest in my fog folder. It was taken just recently from the Obi lookout at Mableton, where the rising sun revealed a thick blanket of condensation over the Mary Valley. Acknowledgement to Wes Davidson for the photo. Thank you, Wes. Have a splendid evening. And now it's back to the team.
Thank you very much, Liv. Thank you for your company. We'll see you tomorrow night. If you'd like to watch anything again, you can catch that on 7+. Otherwise, from the team, take care. Good night.